Hello and welcome. First, you can check your TI-84 Plus CE or TI-84 Plus CE Python calculator operating system, aka OS, by hand. If you have multiple calculators, you can check them all by hand. Oh, and you can do this possibly even faster just by using TI Connect CE. So here's how to do it by hand. First, make sure your calculator is on. Next, you'll press the second and the plus sign. The second key is the blue key in the upper left section of the keypad, and the plus sign is the bottom right hand of the keypad. Once you press these keys, you'll see the memory menu. From here, you can press 1 or enter to see the current OS. It shows up in the second line. So long as you see 5.4 or higher, you should be okay. However, to be safe, I'd update the calculator OS to the current one, something which is now in the 5.8 range in mid-October 2025. So the rest of this will assume you've seen the other videos from mcstutoring.com demonstrating how to download TI Connect CE. This is the free software from ti.com to link your computer to your TI-84 Plus CE or TI-84 Plus CE Python calculator. That will show you how to download the TI Connect CE software and connect your calculator to the computer. Now, assuming your calculator is on and your computer is on, you have TI Connect CE. You will see the TI-84 icon in the upper left-hand corner of TI Connect. If you don't watch the video instructions, the link to the description of this YouTube video, text and image directions on the mcstutoring.com site. By the way, you can just use TI Connect CE to see your calculator OS. It shows up in the upper left-hand corner. Okay, now on to downloading the most recent OS. You can click on the link in the description or the mcstutoring.com site Getting Started page. From there, you'll see the following options. Since I'm using a Mac, the video will show you how to proceed within the Apple ecosystem. Choose and download the appropriate OS. There's one separate for Python and one separate for the regular ones. Download which one you need and then find out where it is on your computer. From its location, click and drag it onto the TI Connect CE window. It will ask if everything is copacetic. Just so you know, this completely deletes everything on your calculator. It's like a hard reset. So if the only version of your programs are on your calculator, now would be a good time to upload them onto TI Connect and download them onto your computer. That way, they'll be safe on your desktop or laptop computer. Rest assured, if you bought your programs from mcstutoring.com, you always have access to them via the original email with a download link, and you'll always have free updates for life. Okay, now it will take some time to update your OS. This is what it looks like from TI Connect. This could take 5 to 10 minutes in all, so please be patient. Once all is said and done, you can check your calculator OS. Most likely, it'll look like this, OS 5.8 or above. Once you have that, you should be good to go with downloading TI-84 programs from mcstutoring.com. Outdated calculator operating systems have been the biggest cause of complaints for students using TI-84 calculator programs. By updating your calculator OS to the most recent version, you should be good to go. Oh, and soon we will have a video demonstrating the Streamlined method of delivering calculator programs. Before it was a little more complicated, but now it's an email with a link. All you have to do is click on the link and you have access to the .8xp files. So keep in mind that once you buy a program, you should receive an email within 5 minutes of purchase. Check your spam box. Other than an outdated operating system, students not checking their spam box is the biggest source of complaints with the calculator programs. So updating your OS and checking your spam box guarantees a 99.5% chance of smooth and easy access to your mcstutoring.com TI-84 calculator programs. Hope this helped. Remember, programs are still legal on AP and SAT tests. Be cool and good luck.